sensitivity. Sees the girl of his dream, sure that eternity's far too long to wait for the perfect day. Far too long to wait for the perfect day. Young girl 17, who knows where she could have been, needs a flat urgently for her child. Eternity's far too long to wait for the perfect